How to make a paper airplane. Oh no, he is back. First fold it. Oh come on, maybe straighten up the paper. Oh wow, a magician. Send him to Harry Potter. He made the paper double. Now I don't know how to make a paper airplane, but I know that is not going to fly. You do not fold the tip of it. What is he doing? I do not understand why this person brings so much pain to people's life. Come on, he is wasting people's time. Why do we need the over piece of paper? What is he doing? He must have anger issues if he smacks the table so hard. Calm down. Please back up. I know COVID is over, but please personally space. I'm losing brain cells. Yes, I know it's paper, you don't need to point at it like that so many times. So that over piece of paper was just a waste of time, really. Why has he just stretched it out more? He is now just crumbling the paper now. Oh wow, it flew so well. Do not put your thumbs up. If this gets 1K likes, I will watch the new Brainrot series on Prime Video.